Want to make money in 2025 without coding or a degree? These 5 AI tools can do the work for you, and they're mind-blowing. Tool number 1, ChatGPT OpenAI. This tool can write emails, generate business ideas, and even build your website's content. Freelancers are using it to earn $100 plus per day. Tool number 2, Pictory AI. Want to make faceless YouTube videos? Pictory turns scripts into videos using AI, perfect for YouTube automation channels just like this. Tool number 3, Leonardo AI. This tool creates stunning images in seconds. People are using it to sell digital art on Etsy, Fiverr, and even as book covers. Tool number 4, ElevenLabs. Need high-quality voiceovers? ElevenLabs gives you realistic AI voices, perfect for videos, audiobooks, and more. Tool number 5, Notion AI. It's like a personal productivity assistant. Students and creators are using it to plan content, manage schedules, and even write essays faster.